welcome back to my channel. It is currently hair day in my house. So Loriah has to get her hair done, Londyn has to get her hair done, and DJ is going to get his hair cut. So that's what this video is going to be. It's going to be the kids' hair maintenance day. So y'all, I have this shampoo bowl from Amazon, which is going to be linked in my storefront. And let me tell y'all a good trick if you have this portable shampoo bowl. So I went to Walmart and got 2 of these 13-gallon trash cans, and I put these on both sides. So this is where the dirty water comes out, and then I have one right here that already has clean water in it, which I'll show y'all. So it pumps out, the clean water pumps out from this one, and then it goes into the sink, and then it'll go out in that one. Okay, y'all, so I know it's been a minute since we did this hair content, but I promise y'all 2025 we're gonna get on it. So I decided to film when I did my daughter's hair. Y'all, this took us a total of 3 days. For Loriah, hers took all day, and Londyn's took 2 days after this, and you're gonna be able to tell because of the outfit changes that I'm gonna have and everything. This was also a very busy week for me, so I was booked all week, and in between that I was doing their hair, so that's why it took so long. Normally it doesn't take me that long. I'll just choose a day to do both of their hair. Loriah might be a Saturday, Londyn might be a Sunday, and it's done. But this was a very busy week. So for my girls, I'm very big on deep conditionings because they have low porosity hair. So if you don't know what low porosity hair is, it's hair that doesn't really lock in moisture or hold water moisture. It doesn't retain any type of moisture. So I like to do deep conditionings on my girls every time that I shampoo their hair. It's just good to lock in that moisture. Moisturized hair is a really good key to having healthy hair, so I do this every time. And you also want to make sure you're detangling it when you have the deep conditioning going, and do that in sections starting from the ends to the roots, and then you just seal it in with a plastic cap, and they sit under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And so when I shampoo their hair, I love to use my Design Essentials shampoos. Normally I use Oats and Henna Protein, which is a clarifying shampoo, so it cleanses any dirt from the scalp and the hair. And then I follow that up with the Moisture Retention, which is the honey cream. And that just locks in the moisture because the clarifying shampoo literally will strip the moisture from the hair, so you want to lock it back. Say hey, Dion. Say hey. Say hey.
Me and Dion just having a chill watch. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Dion's channel.
Dion don't have a channel. Tell them subscribe to our channel.
Well, it's his first time having a channel.
As y'all can see, Londyn has a head full of hair. Sometimes detangling her hair is a job, but mama gets it done. So when I'm doing their blow drying process, I'll spray some Design Essentials HCO leave-in in their hair just to lock it with that moisture before I begin blow drying it. Then I like to just use this blow dry attachment and my brush to blow dry their hair. And Loriah has really bad shrinkage because, baby, when her hair is stretched out, you see the length. We also like to keep up with trims here. So as you can see, she had just got a trim before I did her last style that she had in prior to this, so her hair is nice and healthy and ready. With Loriah, I decided to just do natural hairstyles for her because I just feel like Other than knotless braids, if I put hair in her head for like feed-in braids, I just don't feel like it's good for her hair health. So we decided to go with a nice, cute, natural style and some beads. But I think the only time from now on that she'll get fake hair will be if she has knotless braids in. And other than that, she'll just have her natural hairstyles. And I think this style that we ended up deciding to do turned out so pretty. She's only 6, so she still is able to get those cute kid styles. So I split her hair in half from ear to ear, and then I just did cute little ponytails in the back. I'm showing y'all how I did the ponytails because I already went ahead and did some. At first I only put like 3 beads on each braid, and I went back and I added more braids. So each braid consists of 5 beads, and this is literally the process of how I did each ponytail in the back. She also is going to have the braided ponytails in the front, and then we're going to do like 4 cornrows going on the side with some beads. This style turned out really pretty. It was just something that I could do that was nice, quick, and you know, kid friendly, because I'm looking for like cute little kid friendly styles that'll just help her hair continue to grow and flourish. I don't want it to continue to break or anything like that. So we're just getting her hair in good health and keeping it in good health, and I just feel like the natural hairstyles is the way to go for her. So this is how it looked once I did all of the ponytails, and now I'm just going to braid them and put the beads on them.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, Maya. So I went ahead and did the front ponytails off camera, and then I thought it would be really cute if we just had some braids going to the back with beads hanging down, and this style turned out so pretty on her. And as y'all can see, it got so late and I wasn't even started on Londyn's hair yet. So I was like, you know what, I'll save Londyn's hair for the next day since it was already late and we were just finishing Loriah's hair. We also decided to go ahead and eat while I was finishing up on her hair, and then Mama was tired, okay? Y'all, I was so happy about how this look turned out because it's so kid friendly and it makes my girl look so cute. And you can't tell her anything with her beads. Anytime she has beads in, she just thinks she's that girl, which she is. Okay, y'all, so it's day 2 and I'm finally on Londyn's hair. Now for her hairstyle, I decided to do a nice boho braid style, but I wish I would have went with the hair that I normally use, which is the Freetress Deep the Freetress deep twist hair. That's normally what I like to use. This time I use the Freetress super bulk, which is just the wet and wavy. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I'm instantly regretting putting this hair on her head because those pieces are so tangly. I told her I'm ready to cut the curly pieces out, and I wish I would have just used the hair that I normally use for my bohos because my clients love that hair. They say it doesn't tangle or anything, but this wet and wavy Freetress hair, baby, she is tangled. And you're going to see at the end. But yeah, I did some medium boho knotless braids on Londyn, and this day I had a client around 5, so I had to stop doing her hair so I could do my client. Then I finished her hair that night, but I was like, you know what, we're just gonna dip it and roll it the next morning before I had to do a client. So that's the process this day. I'm just going ahead and getting a start on her hair. I don't put curly pieces on the bottom 2 rows. I start on like the 3rd row because I don't want them to tangle at the nape area. But like I said, this wet and wavy hair is getting on my nerves already. So if you want some good Freetress hair, get the deep bulk hair. Don't get the wet and wavy, okay? Learn from me, okay? I'm using the All Day Braids braid gel, and then I'm using my favorite braid hair, which is the Outre pre-stretched Expressions hair in the 52 inch, okay? And she used just a regular 1B, but this is just the process of doing Londyn's hair. Like I said, I had to stop and do a client before I could finish her hair, and by the time we finished, it had to be like 12 o'clock in the morning. So I was like, we're not dipping it and doing all that, and you're just about to go to sleep. Okay, y'all, and this is day 3. It had to be like 9 o'clock in the morning. I had a 10 o'clock that day. So we're rolling the ends and we're going to dip it in hot water and we're going to spray the hair so that it can wave up. But like I said, for whatever reason with this hair, it tangles really bad. Like the pieces get stuck together and we have to brush it, and that's how we have to detangle it. So I'm thinking about just cutting the curly pieces out altogether. I wish I would have went with my OG hair selection for my boho pieces, but I've been wanting to try this hair for a while. I've been seeing it in my beauty supply store, but your girl is going to stick to what she knows, okay? But Londyn's hair did turn out so pretty. The only thing that I wish I would have did is just use my regular braid bulk pieces that I normally go with. But like I said, you live and learn, okay? Okay, isn't she gorgeous? Like, I love the way these boho braids look on Londyn. I thought it would be so pretty on her, and it turned out so nice. She loves them. And then we just decided to trim some of those ends off so that it could be even and take off some of that extra length that we didn't really need on there. And I took some pictures and some videos, and then at the end, I'm about to let y'all see how they feel about their hair. After 3 long days, the process is finally finished.
mission.
Let me see your face, Raya. Oh my goodness. Come show the camera. Show them your hair and your makeup.
My hair got done, and I just got my makeup.
Talk normal, please. I keep telling her all the time. Stop talking like that. Let me see your hair. Come here. Ooh, do a circle. Circle, circle, circle. Beautiful. Let me see your makeup. My stomach growling. I need to go eat. Ooh, your makeup is so pretty. Ooh, you're such a doll. Ooh, look at Loriah.
I guess what Londyn said.
What?
She said she spat on her makeup.
I was being sarcastic, Loriah.
Sarcastic.
Sarcastic.
Okay, Lo, show them your boho braids.
I
After 3 days. Back up. After the course of 3 days, we're finally done. Turn to the back. Okay, hold your head back. Ooh, beautiful. I just want you to know you're so beautiful. Turn to the front.
Londyn, look at the camera.
Bring them to the front. Bring them to the front. Bring your braids to the front, girl. Turn around, Lo. Turn around.
I turned.
Bring your braids to the front.
Oh, yeah.
So with this wet and wavy hair, it dried together. So I think we might have to detangle it again because it's wet and wavy. But yeah, I think it turned out so cute. The girls are definitely ready now. Hold your head up. We supposed to be filming. All right, y'all. This video is over, y'all. What y'all got to say about y'all hair?
It's cool.
It's beautiful.
What you got to say about your hair, Ryan?
It's beautiful.
Okay, say peace.
Peace.
Say peace, Lo.
Peace.
Like damn, she in her move. 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 She lit, get money too.